In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new publication on Substack. By the end, you'll have a clear step-by-step path from signing in to being ready to publish your first post. Start by signing into your Substack account. Once you are in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is your control center for everything related to your account and your publications. So it's the right place to begin. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Publications section. Click on Create Another Publication. Even if this is your first one, Substack labels the button this way because it allows multiple publications under one account. Clicking it launches a simple setup flow. Next, choose a memorable name for your publication and set your unique URL, also known as your subdomain. This will look like your name, substack.com. Pick something clear and easy to remember so readers can find you quickly. If the subdomain you want is already taken, try a short variation or add a relevant word. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with how you present yourself elsewhere. You'll be prompted to add a one-line description. Think of this as your elevator pitch. In a single sentence, tell readers what they can expect: topics, tone, and the value you'll deliver. Aim for clarity over cleverness. For example, weekly deep dives on sustainable design. Or short, practical tips for indie creators. You'll then see the option to import subscribers or skip for now. If you already have an email list, you can import a CSV file. Make sure your list is permission-based and up-to-date so you start with healthy deliverability and a receptive audience. If you are just getting started, it's perfectly fine to skip this step and build your list organically over time. Follow the remaining prompts to set up your design. Upload a logo and a cover photo that reflect your brand. Choose simple, readable typography and colors that suit your voice. Consistency helps readers recognize you across emails and the web. Don't worry about perfecting the design right away. You can always tweak it later. With that, your setup is complete. You are ready to publish your first post. If you plan to offer paid subscriptions, you can add payment options later once you've settled into a publishing rhythm. Take a moment to preview your publication, then dive into writing your welcome post to introduce yourself and set expectations. That's it, you've created a new publication on Substack. Thanks for watching.